Hello everyone, I am Sahil Dilip Kulkarni. I am from Thane. I am in CSP 22 Python batch. I am going to explain conditional statements. Conditional statements are those statements which are going to use to check whether condition is true or false or satisfied or not satisfied. There are four types of conditional statements: one-way decision, two-way decision, multi-way decision, and nested-way decision. One-way decision contains if condition, two-way decision contains if else condition, multi-way decision contains if else condition. Elif stands for else if, and nested decision contains condition inside condition. For example, if x equal to 5, y equal to 4, as per if condition, x is not equal to y, then we print x is not equal to y. The output is x is not equal to y. Two-way decision, we get if and else. For example, if we get x equal to 4, if x is smaller than 2, then we print bigger, or if we get else condition, we print smaller. The output is bigger or smaller or older. In multi-way decision, we get if else. The value of if we get value x equal to 0, then we get condition x is smaller than 2, then we print small. In elif condition, x is smaller than 10, then we print medium, and in else condition, we print large. The output is small, medium, large, or older. In nested decision, there is a condition inside condition. Therefore, x equal to 42, and if x is greater than 1, then we print more than 1. And if x is smaller than 100, then we print less than 100. There is condition inside the condition. Therefore, we print older and more than 1 or less than 100. Thank you so much.